BCS Tractors. There's various models, and some they have a starting line where it's like perhaps a small scale farm or a homeowner would purchase, and then it goes up to the larger models. They generally have larger motors on them, more power, and the wheel size is another big difference there. Of course, they have more features as they go up in their lines. And one we've got is the 732, okay? This one here, which is it's one size smaller than the biggest engine on that they offer, and it has smaller wheels than the larger size, and as they go up again, there's more features with each one, like electrical start is another big one. Electric start adds a lot of weight to the machine because you have a battery on it, and of course, the bigger the machine gets, like the 853, it has very large tires on it and is substantially heavier. Well, it depends what kind of features you want. For our type of soil, actually the 732 is fine. If you were farming on heavy clay soils with lots of rock, you'd want a more powerful machine than what we have.